Hindi ka marunong sumunod sa batas, what gives you the authority to be a legislator? On the basic and fundamental issue that once the Supreme Court interprets the law and the Supreme Court makes a decision on something that requires the review of legality and constitutionality of any action of any government agency that includes Congress, both the Senate and the House of Representatives, when the Supreme Court speaks, you have to listen and you have to abide and submit to it. Because we are part of a democracy where the rule of law prevails. And the rule of law is guided and guarded by the Supreme Court. Di po ba? Otherwise, i-dissolve natin ang Korte Suprema. I-dissolve na natin ang mga korte. Kung ganun lang naman pala na pwedeng i-interpret ni Tito Soto, ni Joel Villanueva, ni Erwin Tulfo, ni Kiko Pangilinan at ni Bam Aquino ang mga batas na ito nang naaayon sa kanilang political agenda at hindi naaayon sa kung ano ang mandato at otoridad na ibinigay sa Korte Suprema na sila dapat ang may karapatan at may tungkulin na mag-interpret at maglatag ng legalidad at constitutionality ng mga batas at mga akto na ginagawa ng gobyerno.